everybody, it's me, Oregon Zan. I'm going to be doing some bridal shower prep. I'm having a bridal shower here for my future daughter-in-law, Daisy. She is marrying my son, Ethan, and they're going to be getting married in July. So tomorrow's the shower, and so we're having it here at my house. I had another bridal shower for my other daughter-in-law, Stephanie, a couple years ago, and it was a lemon theme. And so this one's gonna be kind of the same, but a little different, because what I'm gonna do is add the oranges and the limes and make it citrus, a citrus theme. So, you know, I mean, I had a lot of some of these things I wanted to reuse, so it's gonna be all new to Daisy and her family and friends. So, so the shower's tomorrow, and then I thought I'd film some of the prep today, and then tomorrow I'll film setting up, and then I'll do a few shots at the shower itself. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration if you're planning on throwing a bridal shower. And so yeah, let's get started. First thing we worked on was our photo backdrop. So Jim and I went to Home Depot and we bought some of this insulation foam board. We use it in a lot of our projects that we do around here. And so yeah, the front part is plastic and the other side is like a foil. But we cut them into these arches. One's about 7 feet, one's 6 feet. We painted one yellow and one kind of a white green, like a super light lime green, sort of go with the citrus theme. And then Daisy's brother, he designs balloon arches, and he put a beautiful balloon design on it, and it was perfect for the photo backdrop. And I think Daisy really loved it.
I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
So when my daughter got married a couple years ago, Jim designed these letter boards that spelled out the word love. And Daisy and Ethan wanted that word in Spanish, amor. So Jim went to work. He went to go buy the wood, and he put it all together, designing it on his iPad, of course, because that's how he does it. And then he just used his jigsaw. He cut out the letters. He put a backing on it.
Taped together, but goes on like that.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta make this part.
And then how did these come together? Just with glue?
Glue them, and then I take the brad gun and nail it through here.
Okay.
And glue it before all this stuff bends, so I can pull it apart and glue it in the joints. Yeah. And then I glue underneath before I lay it down. Then tack it from the back.
Like that?
Like that.
Okay.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
So here's what I did inside the house. I decorated the mantle in the citrus theme, like I had talked about, with the oranges, limes, and lemons, and a bunch of foliage, and I think it turned out really pretty. I also did the entry there.
I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray,
one thing I really wanted to do is hang these garden lanterns up above the tables where we're going to be sitting. And so I ordered these off of Amazon, and they're super easy to put together. And I just placed them over some of the cafe lights that were hanging down above the table area.
We're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
And here's how they look when they're glowing at night.
It's gonna be okay. The sun could go out.
I bought some platters of sandwiches, but I also wanted to make a vegetable platter. So I just chopped up some veggies and made a ranch dip. I also made a cheese and cracker platter too, and so there was plenty of food. I actually had a lot left over at the end. I bought a lemon cake from the bakery, but I also wanted to bake a strawberry cake. I love strawberry. So one dessert I really love are macaroons. And I found these really delicious macaroons from Costco, and I love the colors and everything. So I got my tiered tray out, and I decided to put the macaroons on the top and on the bottom shelves there. And then in the middle, I made some chocolate dipped strawberries. So I had some green meltable chocolate that I had used earlier in the day to make some chocolate dipped pretzels. And I decided to make some chocolate dipped strawberries. I had never made them before, but they were pretty easy. You have to get the chocolate just to the right temperature though, or it starts to harden. But so yeah, they came out really pretty, and like I said, I put them in the middle tier of the tiered tray, and looked really nice. What I like to do is melt the chocolate in the microwave and then keep it warm on a double boiler on the stove. And that way I'm able to, work as long as I need to, and the chocolate stays to a perfect consistency. Here's that bakery cake that I bought, and what I did was I went ahead and decorated it. I used some little sprig of rosemary and then twisted some lemon and put on a pretty little topper that said she found her main squeeze. And here's all the platters of sandwiches and fruit on the table. So I wanted to do like an Italian style table setup with one big long table that everyone sat at together. I have all the tables, and we just had to rent some chairs. And I also have all these white tablecloths, so I put them all on, and then I started to decorate with garland all down the middle, some fresh fruit and some silk flowers, and some photos of the kids, Daisy and Ethan. And it turned out really pretty. As I mentioned before, I did make these chocolate dipped pretzels, and I put them on all the place settings that with a little sticker on it that said she found her main squeeze. So it was pretty cute. And here's what they look like here. be kind of a windy day, so I had to put the water bottles on the plates, which kind of messed up my feng shui, but it's okay. Okay, Jim, so I know you're the official bartender. What are you going to serve today?
Mimosa.
A mimosa, huh?
Come try.
But it's got
Or should I try?
But it's got a twist, right? It's got pineapple juice.
It's got pineapple juice and orange juice.
So it's more like a passion fruit. No. Who could it be? Me! Yay! Come on in.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh.
Well, I hope you had fun watching us put together this lovely bridal shower. It was so much fun, and the best part of it is that I'm sure Daisy had a wonderful time and she really loved how everything turned out. So thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Until next time, bye for now.